Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive bright collections for your party wear, wedding party. Very nice one. So let me display with great discount price also. Very beautiful one, pure handloom one. Tissue muslin base, premium quality pure handloom tissue muslin with beautiful jamdani work. Very nice one. This one full base part, this very lightweight also, only 350 gram weight. And this one border portions muslin border with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, golden zari with gicha threaded contrast weaving jamdani work. And this one full base part tissue muslin, have golden sign, very beautiful smart look, soft lightweight also. This one is full base part tissue muslin, transparent, fine golden zari golden effect. And this one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, tissue muslin base with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. And this one is full base part, and this one is beautiful gicha and contrast golden zari weaving hand weaving jamdani work pallu. And this one is full base part, very soft lightweight comfortable tissue muslin, very nice on smart looks, bright also, outstanding party looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart trendy looks, bright gorgeous also. This one also same material, different color, bright parrot green shade, premium quality pure handloom tissue muslin with jamdani work by golden zari weaving jamdani work. Very nice on exclusive trendy looks. And this one full base part, this one is border portions pure muslin with golden zari weaving design jamdani work border. And this one full base part of golden sign tissue muslin, transparent, soft lightweight, only 350 gram weight. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, tissue muslin base with golden zari weaving jamdani work pallu. This one is pallu, beautiful smart bright looks. And this one is full base part tissue muslin, premium quality pure handloom exclusive collection. This one full base soft lightweight, this one is full base part, have golden sign tissue muslin jamdani work. This one is running blouse piece. And this one full base part, beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. And golden sign full base premium quality pure handloom tissue muslin. This one also very beautiful color combination, same material, premium quality pure handloom tissue muslin with golden zari weaving design jamdani work, fully hand weaving work. Very nice on exclusive smart looks, beautiful color combination. This one full base part golden sign full base. This one is border portion pure muslin with jamdani work buta golden zari. And this one full border portions contrast gicha with golden zari weaving design border jamdani work border. And this one full base part soft lightweight, very soft one, tissue muslin based for your party wear, very gorgeous looks. This one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu part, pallu in this very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu, smart elegant looks, traditional modern looks, fully hand weaving jamdani work. Base is tissue muslin, soft lightweight, transparent, golden sign. And this one is heavy jamdani work. And I will suggest this silk material heavy bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, outstanding party looks. Very beautiful one. This one also beautiful color combination, same material baby pink base, same material tissue muslin with beautiful jamdani work. And color combination is very nice one. This one is full base part tissue muslin, soft lightweight, only 350 gram weight. This one is muslin border with hand weaving jamdani work buta golden zari weaving. And this one border portions fine weaving design, fully hand weaving jamdani work border portion. This one is border, and this one is full base part, golden sign, full base tissue muslin, soft lightweight base for your party wear. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, tissue muslin base with fine golden zari weaving jamdani work pallu. And this one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Very smart looks. And this one, you know, this one is full base part, tissue muslin base with beautiful jamdani work border. This one is full base, light baby pink base, premium quality, pure handloom tissue muslin, golden sign, full base. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Smart also, you know, very beautiful, bright, elegant, traditional looks, premium quality, soft matka base, premium quality, pure handloom matka with fine golden zari Banarasi weaving design border, and full base part is beautiful one, pure handloom, premium quality, export quality matka base, soft one. And this one, you know, border portions hand weaving, golden zari weaving Banarasi border. And this one, you know, full base part, golden zari weaving, fully hand weaving Banarasi buta. Very nice one. Soft lightweight maroon, bright maroon shade. This one is border portion, and this one is full piece. And this one, you know, running blouse piece, contrast color. And this one is pallu part, pallu also same contrast color pallu with beautiful hand weaving work, Banarasi work. Very nice one, smart, trendy looks. Soft lightweight, very soft one, premium quality matka base with fine golden zari weaving Banarasi border. And this one is full base but very exclusive, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, outstanding, bright looks, traditional also. Very nice one. And this one is, you know, same material, beautiful one, different color only, premium quality, pure handloom, export quality, matka base, golden zari hand weaving border and buta design, full base part. This one, you know, full base part, beautiful one. This one is golden zari hand weaving border design, Banarasi border, and this one is fine weaving design, hand weaving buta design, full base. And this one is pure handloom matka base, soft premium quality. And this one is pallu, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with heavy fine weaving design pallu. Very exclusive, smart looks and very soft, comfortable also. This one is full base, this one is full base, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base but fine weaving buta design, beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, traditional looks. Very bright one. This one also, you know, beautiful color combination, same material, bright color, green shade, golden zari weaving Banarasi border and buta design, contrast pallu. Very exclusive, smart, bright looks. This one, you know, full base part. This one is golden zari hand weaving, golden zari Banarasi border, and this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving Banarasi buta design. And this one is full base part, pure handloom, premium quality matka base, very soft, comfortable one. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with fine weaving design, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design pallu, Banarasi work pallu. Very smart one and soft, lightweight also. This one is full base part, fine weaving buta design, and this one is full base, beautiful, exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, traditional looks. This one also, you know, beautiful one, beautiful work, premium quality, pure handloom silk lion with heavy weaving design, contrast color, threaded weaving design, border and pallu. Very nice one, smart, trendy looks. This one, you know, full base part, very elegant color combinations. And this one is border portions, fine weaving design, border. This one is beautiful border, and this one is full base premium quality pure handloom silk linen material, soft, comfortable. And this one is pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design pallu. This one is beautiful pallu. And this one, border portions very smart, bright, looks elegant also. This one is border portion, contrast color, fine threaded weaving design border. This one is beautiful weaving border design, very nice one. And this one is full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, very elegant looks. Very beautiful color combinations, matka Banarasi, pure handloom one, pure handloom matka base with beautiful bright color combinations, contrast border and beautiful weaving design border portion. This one full base part. This one is border portions, contrast color with golden zari hand weaving design Banarasi work border. And this one full base part. Full base part is beautiful weaving butta design Banarasi butta. And this one full base part, pure handloom matka base, soft, lightweight. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, bright color combinations. And this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with fine hand weaving Banarasi work pallu. This one is beautiful pallu design, and this one is full base part. This one is border portion, and this one full base part, beautiful weaving butta design. Very smart, elegant looks. And this one is border portion, fine weaving design border, fully hand weaving work, very nice one. This one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright, traditional looks. This one also beautiful color combinations, very nice one, nice combinations. Mustard yellow shade base and orange shade contrast border, and pallu is blue shade, royal blue shade, beautiful one. This one full base part. This one is full base part. Base is pure handloom matka base, golden zari fine weaving design, and this butta design. And this one border portions, contrast color, reddish orange shade with beautiful golden zari fine weaving design Banarasi weaving design border. This one is border, and this one pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, blue shade, bright blue shade with golden zari heavy weaving design pallu. This one is pallu, Banarasi work pallu. And this one is base part, and this one full base part, beautiful smart looks, bright mustard yellow. And full base part is a golden butta also. And this one is border portions, contrast color. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very nice one, beautiful color combinations. That I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also very beautiful, bright, gorgeous looks, black base, golden and silver zari combined work, very nice one, exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom matka base. And full border portions, golden and silver zari combined hand weaving jamdani work. This one is border portion. This one is full base part, black base, black color matka base. And this one full border portions, golden and silver zari fine hand weaving design border. This one is border, very smart, elegant, exclusive, bright looks. This one is border portion. This one is full base part, same black shade. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine looks, silver zari stripes with beautiful silver and golden zari hand weaving jamdani work pallu. This one is pallu, exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom matka base with golden and silver zari hand weaving jamdani work, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material silver base heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also, you know, beautiful one, bright blue shade with smart hand weaving jamdani work. Let me open. Very nice one. Base is matka base, golden zari weaving, golden zari border and full border portions jamdani weaving border. This one, you know, full base part. This one is border portions, golden zari border and full border portions fine hand weaving jamdani work. Very smart, elegant looks, and full base part is weaving polka design. This one is full base part, base is matka, hand weaving buta design, polka design, and this one is border portions, beautiful jamdani work. And this one, you know, muslin muslin pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, and pallu in these sequence stripes. Very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. Base is matka, pallu in this muslin with hand weaving jamdani work. Fine hand weaving work, very nice one. And this one, you know, full base part, smart, elegant looks. Full base part is buta, full base part is polka weaving design, hand weaving, and this one is border portions, fully hand weaving jamdani work. This one is matka base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Beautiful, elegant, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Bright, gorgeous. You know, very beautiful one, pure handloom spun silk with beautiful checks design, golden zari, pink shade, reddish magenta pink shade, and this one, you know, beautiful golden zari checks, full base part, and this one is border portions, fully hand weaving border design, fully weaving border, and this one, you know, full base part, very soft, lightweight, and full base part is fine golden zari checks, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, smart, trendy look. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one, you know, pallu in this very beautiful smart one, golden zari checks with stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom spun silk with golden zari checks, full base part, and this one is border portions. Outstanding looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. Reddish pink shade, weaving border, very nice one. This one also, you know, beautiful color combinations, reddish purple shade, dual tone, golden zari border, same material, pure handloom spun silk with golden zari checks, and full base part is checks pattern, and this one, you know, fine weaving design, hand weaving design border. This one is border, and this one is full base part, purple reddish shade, dual tone, and golden zari fine checks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari checks with stripes pattern combined work, pallu, very nice one, exclusive, smart looks, very trendy, smart one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also, you know, fresh red shade, golden zari check, same material, spun silk, pure handloom one with weaving border design, and full base part is golden zari checks. This one, you know, full base part, golden zari checks, full base, and this one is fine weaving, threaded weaving design border, fully hand weaving, and this one is full base part, soft, lightweight, pure handloom one, spun silk with checks pattern, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu in same pattern, stripes and checks combined, smart, trendy looks, fresh red shade, weaving border, very nice one. And I will suggest this heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, gorgeous looks. Very beautiful, bright looks, bright blue shade with hand weaving work, very nice one. This one is full base part is matka base and muslin stripes with silk sequin design, very nice one. This one, you know, full base part, this one is stripes, muslin stripes with, this one is muslin stripes with silk sequin pocket design, very nice one. This one, you know, full base part, pure handloom matka base, this one is full base, running blouse piece, and you know, this one is muslin pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is stripes, sequin stripes with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Very nice one, smart, exclusive, bright, looks gorgeous also. And full base part is silk sequin stripes, muslin stripes, and this one is muslin pallu. And I will suggest this silk material heavy pocket work, Banarasi weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, gorgeous looks. This one also, beautiful color combinations, very nice one. Premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton, and full base part is weaving multicolor weaving polka design, golden zari border. This one, full base part, pure handloom silk cotton material, and this one is golden zari fine border, and full base part is multicolor weaving polka design, fully hand weaving polka, magenta pink shade, very smart, bright looks, and running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy hand weaving jamdani work, golden zari stripes with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Very nice one, smart, elegant looks. This one is fully hand weaving jamdani work. Very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also, very trendy, stylish one. Pure handloom organza with digital printed one, baby pink base, and full border portion is lace designer border. This one, full base part, pure handloom organza, pure organza with digital print, and this one, border portions, lace stitch border. This one is border, designer border, and this one, full base part, beautiful, smart looks, floral pattern, digital printed one, and base is pure organza. Very smart, trendy looks. This one is full base part, very soft, lightweight, only 300 gram weight, and this one is designer border, lace border, and this one is full base, transparent with digital print, pure organza. And I will suggest this silk material digital printed golden zari weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, smart, trendy also. This one also, beautiful one, same material, organza base, lace designer border and pallu, and full base part is fine embroidery work, and base is purple base, very nice one, elegant color combinations, very demanding, smart looks. And this one, full base part without running blouse piece. This one is full base, fine embroidery work. This one is beautiful embroidery, fine work, and base is pure organza, transparent, and this one is pallu end, lace pom-pom design, very smart one. And this one, full base part, soft, lightweight. This one is full base, beautiful embroidery work, and beautiful color combinations also, pure organza with beautiful embroidery design. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks, pure organza, transparent with embroidery work, very nice. Very beautiful one, elegant color combinations, bottle green shade, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, layer by layer with Banarasi weaving work, fully hand weaving Banarasi border design, and full base part. This one, full base. This one is border portions, fine weaving design, fully hand weaving Banarasi work, hand weaving design, heavy work. And this one, full base part, golden and silver zari combined butta design work, fully hand weaving butta design. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, beautiful weaving design, stripes with butta work, pallu, very smart, elegant looks. And this one is pallu start portions, beautiful weaving butta design, golden and silver zari weaving butta design. And this one is border portions, very nice one, soft, lightweight, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with Banarasi work. This one is fine weaving Banarasi design border, golden and silver zari hand weaving Banarasi border, and base is natural fabric, lane by lane. And this one is beautiful color combination, running blouse piece, and this one is full piece. Smart, bright, looks very elegant also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. Very trendy also. And today I have draped a beautiful bright color festive look saree. Base is pure georgette and fully handwork, stone and beads handwork design. This one is border portions, beautiful hand design, handwork, jardosi work, and this one is full base part work, buta work, floral buta pattern, fully stone work. And this one heavy worked pallu. This one is beautiful heavy stone work, jardosi work pallu. Based for your wedding parties, very nice on bright looks, blue shade and full base parties work. Very nice on soft also, pure georgette one. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.